everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back here at the Lusail city, and I'm currently at the marina, and as you can see behind me, that's the new marina mall that is still being constructed. It's almost done, but it's still ongoing. Construction is still ongoing, and it's gonna be a very huge mall that is located here at Lusail City. It has 180,000 square meters, and it's going to be very interesting because the mall is designed based on the water that meets the land, and it is very sustainable. So yeah, it's going to be very interesting. And then behind me, ayan, that is the Raffles Hotel that it will be built soon. It is built on a crescent shape. Yes, that's going to be a landmark here also at the Lusail city. So that is Lusail City. You know, here in Lusail City, you can see the buildings. They have different shapes, different structures, amazing designs. It's really fascinating to see different designs of the building. Like this one here. From this side, you can see only one little tower, but actually that is a twin tower. Yeah, you know, I remember when I first came here in Qatar, this place is empty, or was empty, and let me sit here. Yeah, I remember this place was really totally empty. This is desert, and I think I've been passing through this area several times, and it's totally empty. It's still reclaiming the land. They're filling up they're filling up soils, rocks and sands and so on, and then after a few years, bang, buildings are in here, built significantly. So this is really amazing, really amazing. For just few years, I've been here for 13 years in Qatar, and I really witnessed the development, the fast growth and development of this amazing country. Yeah. So the weather today is really nice because it's only 16 degrees. You know, having that temperature here, we're already very happy because it's not so hot. So it's nice to see. It's nice to sit outside. I can see, people are running. It's early in the morning still. It's 7 o'clock. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I left home early because I really want to go out and take some fresh air and so on. So yeah, it's very nice. It's very relaxing here, and you can see the greenery here. Yeah. So this city, nearby, there's also one of the stadiums here for FIFA World Cup, and actually, it's uh, it's getting ready also because they're going to use it for um, the Arab Cup. Yeah. So Arab Cup is coming soon. It's going to be on the 20th of November until 18th of December. 18th of December, that is Qatar National Day. So it's going to be a very big celebration here in Qatar because at the same time it is the finals of the Arab Cup and then the National Day. But I don't know if I'm be able to witness that because I'm planning to go for vacation on the starting on the 16th of December. So we will see. Yeah. Anyway, I have some how do you call this here? Like an allergy. So I had that a week ago, but it's healing already. Oh my God, fresh air. Look at that. So many constructions. All right. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.